Type your text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Select the corner of a letter. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus J to cut out the selected area in a new layer. Press Ctrl plus T. Right-click on the selected area and rotate 180 degrees. Click on the FX icon and select Gradient Overlay. Make the left color stop black, and the right stop the same color as the text. Move the right stop a bit to the left. Adjust the angle and scale to make it look good on your text. Select Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings to make it look good on your text. And that's how you create a folded text.